Good morning, everyone. Today is May 25th, 2022. We do a stock overview from Omaha, Nebraska, USA for today. So anyway, we got indicates getting up a little bit, and those oil, especially oils, getting around 1 to 2%. Sometimes it's getting up to, it's already add up on top, like 2.8. And utility, yep, more than 2 point. And gas and waste remover, a lot of them, especially retail's getting up too, and bank, yeah, crazy. So yesterday, what you need to know, Dow Jones lost almost 1%, just 0.81%. And the U.S. economy data kind of weak. That's what we just need to know. And JP Morgan Chase Bank, they have a lot of company in China, and the China economy kind of sank 2%. That's mean the economy data affect the U.S. stock in the U.S., not another country, but is because some companies in the U.S. have a different location in somewhere, and that nation has got affected by something. That's why they kind of affect back in the main company in the U.S. a little bit. So we can say crude oil already getting up like 111, sometime 112, like over $2 compared with yesterday. And today, the stock will going to be down a little bit. So we can tell natural gas getting up too. Gold, silver down. Soybean wheat down. Especially sugar and coffee is up. So all the number NASDAQ, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and Russell, everything just out didn't gain that much. A lot of highlight information for Chinese currency, show string, how to build, but the keywords in here, we can tell in OPEC already increased the production. The White House asked OPEC to increase, but they already increased. And especially food is getting up on June and July. I mean, they have to pay more. Let's say go to the markets, like pay $10. Usually just like, let's say we just pay $10, and in June and July we have to pay like $11 or $12. The food price getting up like 15 to 20% compared with last year. Be prepared for that. And this is option charge. We can call ZM or TSLA, and especially TSLA. Let's make good money. And ZM2. So a small one like LAZR or QRTER or SLB, though is a pretty good option chart for people who can play option. Please call them far away. You got more time and more opportunity to not lose it. So this is ETFES. XLF is the best. We can tell on here XLF is the lowest one, and XYG is another good one, because they just like getting up a little bit, or just a little tiny red. It's not bad. But the big one like QQQ or XPY got affected by the big tech or leader stock in like on the market. So the first one for today is ROIV. It's called ROIV Science. So 3.90. So we'll go ahead and get it at around 3.7. Down to 3.5, 3.6 to be okay. If you want, you can get some at 3.9, but just to maintain up on the shares, not hurt anything. And then we can tell it's like company in California, and the company over 1,124 people, and the most highest one is 14.33 and lowest on 3.61, and one day they can rank around like daily rotation 1.4 around like $4.97 and $5.24. So over 30 cents. We just need around 10 cents for. And the cap is $3.1 billion. Sometimes they jump to 3.5, but it's barely hit to $4 billion. And especially we can tell is the Q1 2022, the earning reporting is a little lower than the Q4 last year. So, which though earning kind of affect the price a little bit. That's why I don't expect them too much. But anyway, with the now price is good to buy it. Remember, 5 to 10 cents when you get a profit, please sell it. This is the TIF life. It's not the rich life like 2018 anymore. Those lives belong to someone that doesn't know how to run the economy. Is different, but anyway, when we use them right, we can make money. So the second stock you have for today, and I'm going to buy today, is Joby. Joby, Joby Aviation. Aviation is $5. It's really pretty cheap. You can buy it from whatever right now, but the main order have to be under 510 or have to be under $5 at least. The cap of Joby drop a little bit. It was $3.5 billion right now, 2.7. It's dropped down a little bit. So 16.76 is the highest one, and 2.52 is the lowest one. And right now around $5.20. I mean, that's pretty good. And we can tell on the analyzing of ratings, we can see it's 100% buying, and that's kind of one of the chart we can trust. Because when they say 97% is, we still question about that. But when they say it's 100%, and you can look on another page, the analyzing one, and we can tell is they have really good buying, like big buy, super buy. It's holding that have that, like, even though just one, and selling doesn't have a much, but the high end percent or big buy percent is much higher. You can take a look very quick in repo before it touch down. So the rating is more important because the number show the truth. Thank you very much and have a good day.